Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm not gonna do anything to a Nokia but to a Sony Ericsson, the W850i. Well, this one I had it already with a broken display, but the backlight doesn't work and it has a burn mark in the middle, but you can actually kind of see it work, and it's not network restricted, so found the mainboard. And I have these other two, one that it's restricted and one that's on boot loop. So I'm going to disassemble them both, take what's best of their both body shells and make a functioning one with this one. So let's begin. So let me check again which one of them was with boot loop, because from that one I'm going to take the display. I'm guessing this one is. Nailed it. Okay. Try this one. Okay, this one works. So I'm gonna put this one aside. Ooh, old connects go. Which one of these has the good emblem? If I look at them, none of them. Well, we'll see. Wait, was this one with boot loop? Oh, come on. Oh wait, no. This one with connects was the good one. Okay. So I know that this one is the winner, and this one, well, actually this one is the proper winner. I've never opened a phone like this before, so let's see what surprises awaits me. Oh, I saw some dust in it. Okay. Oh, so that's how it is. I'm not sure if this is metal. Nah, either way. I'm happy that this thing is removable. And this thing just comes out like this. Just pushed in here. Okay. Earpiece. Okay, this is a pretty thick earpiece and a lot of wax. Are these buttons also removable? I'm testing on this phone because I need to make, you know, out of two phones the best I can. Oh, it's snapped, eh? So this whole thing, it's glued here. Have to be careful when I disassemble the black one. And here are the other two screws. See them? Hidden in plain sight. Smart. Well, not in plain sight. In plain sight if you disassemble the front part. Oh, I see. 3 connectors. Okay. Yeah, this is the display. Oh, interesting. here's the dusty front-facing camera. Oh, and it goes all the way up. I'll just do it like this, with being careful not to snap it. Okay. The other clamp is right here. Now, oh, this comes out like this. Okay, I was afraid to try. And now you come out, you freaking keyboard. I'm completely tearing it down. Since I am so caught up in this. Okay, there are a lot more screws than in a Nokia. This is the slide mechanism. Here is the microphone. Oh, this is the connector for it. This is how it connects to the microphone. With this thing. This is the microphone itself. Yeah, I'm not going to unstick this part. Leave it like that. Now to assemble the rest of the phone, and this is made by Foxconn. Oh, nice. This is where the mini SD card goes. Not SD. This is where the M.2 card goes. The screw here. Here is the internal battery. Oh my god. So much history in this poor phone. Well, I am going to take what's best of all of them. And this is the chrome part that fell from it, the little mirror. Here are the buttons. I kind of like the idea. Volume buttons. This is the power button. That's how the power button looks. The vibration motor. Oh, it has this transparent rubber cover. Okay. Now, is this thing removable? Ah, well, I'm not sure anyway. Here is the little flash cover. And here is the screw for the flash. Came off like that. Oh, this thing is disassemblable. Is that a word? Yes, it is. Oops. Here is another one. I'm happy that I'm able to disassemble this part. There we go. And here's the speaker, the loudspeaker. Now it comes off with all the dust. Yeah, we'll be needing to clean all this poop. Oh, poop. The main board. Oh, here's the little camera cover. Out of curiosity, is this thing removable? Yes, it is. Ah, it's similar to Nokia. But you know what, I'm not going to detach it. Here is the SIM card slot, and as I remember on Sony Ericsson, this connector port just comes off. There's the little seal. Can I remove these covers? Yes, I can. This thing is not removable, at least not by me. Yeah, but this thing is. A lot of parts. Right, so now I'll get to disassemble this phone. Let me check again as well. This is also the one with the less scratch display. Jackpot, I don't have to disassemble them both. But how is the frame looking? Yeah, I mean this one it's cracked from the top to the bottom, but this one has it's very bruised, and you can see it has a lot of wear and tear, so I can stick this snapped part because it's detachable. Actually, this whole body shell, it's in better condition except for the camera button, this camera button as well. All the camera buttons are horrible. Maybe I'll clean this one and give it a chrome spray. Either way, it's time to disassemble this one now, so I'll do it more like a fast forward. I'll get to sorting them up. Let me look at this part, but nah. I'll get to cleaning and sorting them out, and I'll be right back with the assembly. Let's see what we'll manage to do.